Hey, it's Mr. BC245. Today I'm going to show you how to change your administrator account's password if you forget it. I'm not going to start up safe mode because then I won't be able to record my screen, but it's basically the same process that I'm about to show you now. What you're going to do is you're going to press, when you start it up, you're going to press, I believe it's F8, and it will show up all the options to boot up: safe mode with command prompt, and safe mode with networking, or start Windows normally. What you're gonna pick is safe mode with command prompt, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna start up the basic core drivers, basically boot up the hard drive with just the normal services and applications that you would use, but no internet connection. So you don't need an internet to do this. So just do basically when the command prompt pops up, you're gonna type in net user, and it's gonna show you all the users in the computer. When you find yours, it'll say the name, then type in net user again and your account's name. And then it'll show you all the information about that, like the local group memberships, administrator, home users, HS24, and none. HS24 is a custom local group membership that I made as a Hackers Squad 24, but I'm not gonna get into that. Account active, yes. If it says yes, then that means that's your account. It's a built-in account for default administrator use. User may change password, yes. Password required, no. Alright, so what you're going to do here is type in net user, and you're going to go type that in, and it's not going to work like that because you got to type in your account name again and then put that in. And then it'll ask you to type a password for the user. Just type in anything you want. I'm not going to type anything in because I already have a password. Right now what I just did was I made it so it has no password at all. And like that, I could just like log into it and then change it later. And what you can do is you can type in /random, and it'll generate a random password, so I suggest you write it down. And it is case sensitive, so make sure you write it with the cases, the correct uppercase and lowercase symbols, numbers, whatever. And basically that's it. I'm gonna change mine back to my old password now. When you type password in, it's not gonna show up. So just type in nothing at all, and then just press enter and enter again. It'll say command completed successfully, which will make it to have no password, so it'll be easier to get into your account without even hustling for a password. And then later on, when you get into it, you can change it by going to the control panel, your user, account, and safety and parental safety, I think it is, I don't know. And basically user accounts, just type in right here, go to start button, type in user accounts or user, and then the first one will say user accounts, and that'll be control panel. Let me type in my old password, and bam, the command completed successfully. It will have to be as an administrator. If you're gonna do this from a different account, you could do this from a different account. You could do this almost anywhere on anybody's computer as long as you have administrator access. So if you're on a guest account, don't even bother unless you know the administrator's password. There are some ways to hack the administrator access that I don't know how to do yet. I actually find this out myself. I look through stuff online, and I basically teach myself on how to do things like this. So yeah. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a very nice day. Comment below. Let me know if any other tutorials or any tutorials at all that you need or that you want me to do. Subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading at least a couple of videos a week, if not a month. I have school to do, so yeah. Thank you for watching. Take care.